Hey folks, today's topic is chicken nutrition. This is pretty important if you have backyard chickens that don't have the ability to go out and forage for the nutrients. If you're the type of person that takes your own health seriously, you know how important supplementation can be throughout the day if you don't have the time, depending on your schedule, to get what you need from food alone. Now, one of the most popular nutritional supplements for chickens, mealworms. But do you know about black fly larvae? Okay, these are mealworms. Now this is black fly larvae. Pretty noticeable difference. The mealworms kind of have like a peanut buttery smell to them. Ew, God, that's gross. I guess if I were a chicken, I'd go for the nastiest smelling thing I could. Okay, this particular brand of black fly larva is produced by a company called Grub Terra. And they have a pretty interesting way that they produce this product is they and partner farms reuse food waste from supermarkets. That every 1 pound of Grub Terra's dried black soldier fly larvae equals 20 pounds of food waste saved from the landfills. Keeping food that could be used out of the landfill and making a byproduct for your livestock that's beneficial. I mean, top that. Now, I know you're wondering right now what the cost difference is between the black fly larva by Grub Terra compared to the box store mealworms. A 5-pound bag of the Grub Terra is about $49.95 minus shipping. A 5-pound bag of the mealworms is like $45. Now, if you take into account your gas and your valuable time going to buy and coming back, etc., and considering what you're getting for your dollar spent, that little extra in shipping might just be worth it for you. Okay, bear with me one moment. I'm gonna go grab a chicken for dramatic effect. Everyone, meet Chicken. There are many like it, but this one is mine. She was having trouble sticking to the script. But this is an honest review of Grub Terra's product. We found the chickens like it. Clearly from the way it's made, it's a good product. If you are interested, just click the link in the description. That'll take you to their site. And they do offer pretty healthy discounts on subscription plans. And you save quite a bit of money. Healthy discount. See what I did there? Thanks again for stopping by, and best of luck.